What's going on, everybody? Not yesterday morning, this morning, right around 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., we had a severe weather, slight risk, damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour, large hail, 1 inch, and isolated tornado. Right now, it's clear right now, but the wind is still picking up right now through the afternoon. You can see the puddles are gone. In the afternoon, no severe weather for today, but it's still windy. Wind gusts up to 15 to 25 miles per hour. You hear me? Wind gusts up to 15 to 25 miles per hour. Not wind gusts, wind 15 to 25 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. For those of you living around Atlanta, I want you to stay safe. Good news, no severe weather. Now, one of you guys remember last week, like somewhere in these trees, a branch just literally fall out right there in the middle of this parking lot. There's the Atlanta airport over there, but you can't see. Now on Sundays is Easter Sunday, we're gonna have another strong storms, even severe storms. About like 100%. Like we're gonna have 2 to 3 inches of rain. So like I said, for those of you who live in Metro Atlanta, I want you to be aware there could be some flash flood. Thursday is gonna be good. Friday is good. Saturday is good. Sunday, get ready. More rain. I'm about to go eat lunch. Bye.